Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can hide and unhide folders on Windows 11. So if you want to hide a folder, right click, select properties and select hidden, press OK and press OK again. As you can see, it's hidden completely out of sight, but if you want to unhide it and you're like scrambling, you're like, where is that folder? Don't worry, just select view and select show and then select hidden items, and you can just right click on the folder again, select properties, uncheck the hidden, press OK and OK, and it's back where it is. If you like unselect hidden items, it's still going to be there. That's it, super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!